Disadvantages, there are not many. I mean, we have to do some work up front, so we have to file our articles, we have to do our operating agreement, we have to make sure we take care of our tax status. And there's a filing fee, which is $100 to the State Corporation Commission initially, and then annually we have to pay a renewal fee of $50 a year to stay in good standing. So pretty minimal cost for the benefits you get. That brings us to our last choice. Yeah?
I'm sorry. I haven't seen this operating agreement anywhere. Is that a form or something that's, I mean, I just registered literally last week with the SEC, but the operating agreement piece, I haven't seen that anywhere.
Yeah, the SEC doesn't provide that. They don't provide a form for that. There's some books you can get that have some forms. You can look online. A lot of different sites will give you kind of a guide to get started. So yeah, there's different sources.
And even as a sole person, I'm operating independently, I should still have an operating agreement?
Yeah, because if you think about it, and you just went through this process, if you think back to those articles you filed, nowhere on there does it say who the owners are, or how the company's going to be managed. And so what will happen is if you don't have that and then a problem arises, it becomes a question to help whoever you're having a problem with try to do what's called pierce the corporate veil, which is reach through the LLC to you as an individual, because they'll say either, hey, you have no evidence that you ever were the owner, you know, or that you set it up, that you ever bought into the LLC to get a share, so I'm going to come after you as if you're a sole proprietor and try to avoid that.
So once you do that, then you register with that with the US PTO?
Not the operating agreement. The operating agreement is just an internal LLC document. The USPTO is more for your name or your product name to protect your trademark.
Just one piece of advice. I went to a website called uslegalforms.com.